Okay, so once you're in Rediker, you go to your gradebook all the way at the top. Oh, okay. Sorry. Now, the first thing that we have to do once this opens is we have to link Google Classroom to Rediker. So in your blue menu bar, you'll see a spot that says Classroom up across the top and head over. There you go. And you want to link your account. So this links your Lord's Gmail account to your Rediker account. There are 5 sets of permissions. You want to allow all 5. Perfect. You're going to get another permission screen coming up. Scroll to the bottom and allow. All right, so what that does is it links, it says like this grade book belongs to Brian Christiana and his Google Classrooms are all here. But each individual classroom needs to be linked individually so that the grades are coming to the right place. So if you look in the middle of your screen to the left where your menu is that says name, description, marking period, in the corner of that menu on the other side, you'll see the green circle that's the Google Classroom logo. Perfect. If you click there, now you're going to find your Google Classroom that corresponds to this class. So you can see it's US History 7. So Brian's finding History 7. He's going to link these. Say yes to that. Now this is a good sign. It says one or more of your students was not sent invitations, and that's a 0 there. That means that every student was linked from the Rediker to the Google Classroom. So click OK. All right, so Brian's going to add a column here. So if you would come to add a column. All right, and linked classwork up in the upper right-hand corner. So now what it's doing is it's fetching all of the classwork that you have in Google Classroom. So Brian's going to find one of these assignments that he's going to bring in. Brian, for right now, it doesn't matter if it has grades in it. You can bring anything in. There we go. And yes. And then when you scroll down, there are a few important things that you should notice here. The name is the name that you named the assignment in Google Classroom. The description is the description you put for the assignment, and the category matters. So however you want this to import, you have to make sure to check that. There we go. You can see the points, the date defaults to the date that you assigned the due date in Google Classroom. And yeah, Brian, you want to check both of those. And then create column. And there you go. So that column was made there. You can grade in either place, and now it goes back and forth. So
Oh, cool.
when Brian goes back to Google Classroom and adds those grades, they'll be brought in. Brian, can we set up another classroom just so that everybody knows? So if you would come over to the left and go to gradebook.
All right. So,
There you go, right there.
which should be easier because they're all one class all normally for me.
Right. Perfect. That's a great screen. So you want to keep that linked so you can close that out. Add a column. Link classwork.
Let's see how we do.
Everything came in. Check your category. And all of your grades came in.
Good.
All right. So that's the basics of how you link your Rediker and Google Classroom.